Hi everyone, I am Rajesh. In this video, I am going to talk about two similar sounding and confusing English words, affect and effect. We will work on pronunciation and usage to help you master these words. Let's get started. Let us start with the affect. It is usually a verb. It means to influence or change. An easy way to remember affect as a verb is to remember A is for action. Verbs are actions. Let us look at some examples. The first sentence is junk food affect our health. We all know that junk food can change our health. Junk food can make our health bad. The next sentence is new technologies continue to affect how we live. This is something we also know. New technologies changes the way we live. They make things easier, they make things faster, they affect the way we live. Now I will talk about effect. It is usually a noun. It means a change or result that is caused by something. Let us look at some example sentences. The first sentence is pollution has a negative effect on the environment. We all know that pollution causes negative results in the environment. You will notice that in this sentence we used effect as a noun, a negative effect. The next sentence is spicy food has a bad effect in my stomach. For some people, spicy food causes some bad results in the body. So again we use effect like result, a noun. Now let us do a practice. In this sentence, we need to use effect and affect. The sentence is the blank of the war will blank the economy. Take a look at the first blank, the blank. Remember, if there is a the, we usually need a noun, so we use effect. The effect of the war, that means the result of the war, will blank the economy. Here we have will, and so we need a verb, that is affect. The effect of the war will affect the economy. Now you know the difference between affect and effect. Be sure to practice these two words. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.